All right, we're trying skill 206, and that's a tough one for a lot of kids. You're multiplying numbers and variables all together, and the variables have exponents on them. Well, to get this, you really have to understand the basics of multiplying the variable part, because the numbers are just going to multiply by the other numbers. 9 times 3, 27. Okay, but I got to do this in the right order, of course. And first thing I want to do is anything I can solve inside my parentheses, and neither one of these has anything I can combine. The a's and the b's can't go together. All right, so I'm done with that. So I guess the next step is to actually multiply out things. Well, the numbers can multiply with numbers. 9 times 3 is 27. And then the a to the fourth can go with the a to the sixth. How do you do a to the fourth times a to the sixth? And that's what a lot of times it boils down to, is people are not sure, should I add those or multiply those? It's obviously a to the something. Well, I encourage you to think of this as a, and then the a to the sixth is a. And this is all the big multiply problems. Can you see that there are 10 a's? It's obviously a to the 10th. And so in that case, you would add them. If the problem had a squared in it, so it was like a squared to the 5th, then I would multiply them. That would be a to the 10th, like that. All right, so when it's a power to a power, you multiply the powers. All right, so here we go. 9 times the 3 makes 27. Now the a's can go with the a's. And that makes a to the, let's see, a to the 6 and the 4 makes 10. And then the b's go with the b's. And this will be b to the 4 and 11 makes 15th. Okay, now what if they made the problem a little harder by saying 3, a to the 3rd, b to the 2nd, all squared, and then times 5 to the, times a, b to the 3rd, or something like that. Well then, you know, I hope, that exponents come before most other things, and so I'm going to start with that. So how do I handle a power to a power? We just talked about that. That's 3 times, and then this a to the 3rd to the 2nd, you multiply them. A to the 6th. And b to the 2nd to the 2nd means b to the 4th. And then I'm multiplying that times 5, and there's no exponent action over here, so I'm just going to rewrite it. Now it's just like the problem I had before. My numbers can go with my numbers. 5 times 3 makes 15. And then my a to the 6th can go with my plain a and make a to the 7th. My b to the 4th can go with my b to the 3rd and make b to the 4 plus 3 is 7th. There you go. There's a few examples. Have a great day.